Alright, now I'm about to install these Precision Raceworks coils and some new spark plugs. There's a lot going on right now because I just put this VRSF intercooler on and I just put a new water pump in, thermostat. So there's a lot going on right now, but this video is about PR coils and spark plugs. These should be all the coils right here, 3 and 3. And then the mounting bracket right here. So I'm gonna go up top, engine cover off right here. I got another video up on how to take that off. But once you get that up, unplug all of these. That's how you unplug it. Pull this outward. It's a little hard, so I'm gonna get this in here. I had to take that little plastic piece off. I got half of it still on because I broke mine. But take that out. These are the spark plugs. I went with 1-step coater NGK. These are other parts for something else in another video. And I had to go with the thin wall BMS spark plug socket. Magnetic. Next, I'm gonna take these 2 bolts off. I got an E10 for those. Alright, next I'm gonna get all these wires out the way. There's 2 zip ties right here. I'm gonna cut those off. Back one up. Finish getting these out. Then you take this out right here. So to get this out, get my flathead, push it out. See how they clip in. Slide this out. And now I can get this bottom tray opened up. So to get some more room, take this out. Take that plug out. Now I got those 2 unplugged. This can lift up a little bit higher. Alright, so my GoPro died, so I just let it charge. But what I did while it was charging was I took this out. It sat in there like this. These were all the clips I took the wires out of. And these clips right here, just get a flathead in them, pop them open on both sides. Pop all these clips open. But this one right here, that's how it goes in. You gotta push it in. When it's in there, you gotta push this side in so it can pull out of there. Then another clip, another clip. And that's how you get that out. Take the top off. Then that'll be another clip right here. This is the clip right here. Same thing, just get a flathead in, open the sides up. The clip on around there. Open the sides open, take that off. And then you just take the wires out that were sitting in these. This part and this part. After that, I took out the old spark plugs. They don't look bad, aside from some of them. When I did my oil change, some oil dripped down in there, so some of them kind of had oil on them. But I cleaned that out. Now I got the new spark plugs in. I just gotta torque them down to 17 foot-pounds. All right, now I got all those torqued down. Now I'm about to put some dielectric grease onto all the coil boots. And the way I seen budget beamers do it is with Q-tips. So I'm gonna do it that way. And I'm gonna put a thin coat on all of them. I'm gonna go ahead and install them as I get grease put on them, just to keep from any dirt or anything flying into it. Okay, that's all the way in. All right, I got all these boosts plugged in. Now I'm about to get the coils mounted to the bracket. And I went with the black coils, but to get these in, you want it like this, you know what I'm saying, with the clips for the wiring harnesses on top. And you put it underneath the bracket, with these two facing up. And that way, you put a bolt. Drop those in. Take the nut. That's a 10. That's really it. I'm gonna tighten this down and I'm gonna do that for the rest, the other 5, so I can put it up in there. All right, I got all 6 coils mounted on the bracket. Now I can feed it through here. So I got it in. This is a real tight fit, more than I'm comfortable with. Front one in, still loose. Let's see how I'm gonna get this back one in. I got both bolts in, front and back. It's pretty steady. Now I can start plugging everything in and getting it looking how I want it to look. Now I'm gonna grab the 6 adapters, plug them in. And plug them in here. Now I got everything hooked up. I'm about to take this back down behind these to make it look a little better. All right, this is what I'm working with on this side. I'm about to grab some of this, cover up this down here. I'm gonna tape it right here where it's a little bit short. These zip ties on. So now I'm about to just put everything in these clips. Clip it down. Just gotta plug these back in. Alright, those plugs back in. Got that back in the clip back there. Now I'm about to just put these clips on. All 3 of these clips in. Now I'm about to fill it up with coolant and bleed the system.